There are many products available to choose at cargo carriers, each with different characteristics, benefits. To help you make an informed decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and made a list of the best cargo carriers from renowned brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for folks like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my video description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Fifclums Car Rooftop Cargo Carrier. The Fifclums Cargo Carrier is our favorite canvas rooftop cargo carrier bag. It's quiet on the roof, secure, offers decent storage capacity, and is simple to install. We believe this is a suitable lightweight option if you don't want to shell out the bucks required to buy a Thill. A Fifclums is also a solid choice if you don't have a roof rack. The Fifclums isn't quite as easy to install as the Thill Pulse, but it was easier to attach to our test vehicle than any of the other soft-top cargo bags we tested. It lays atop a protective mat, and the straps are especially easy to tie down and adjust. Numerous straps provide added stability and security, but you'll need to spend some time tucking and clipping after you've loaded your car top carrier. The zippers are made of durable material, and the stitching is high grade. This bag's material is lightweight yet durable, and on our road test, the Fifclums was the quietest of the soft shell carriers. It's not as quiet as the Thill, however. Number 2. Medabao Car Rooftop Carrier. This high-capacity soft-top roof bag is made of durable PVC material. It's an excellent pick if you need a lot of storage capacity, which exceeds that of similar bags. Two downsides of this bag are that it's noisier than other options, and that we found it the most difficult of our recommendations to install, though still not that difficult in general. The Medabao strap system is a bit more complicated than similar rooftop bags. However, this bag doesn't require a roof rack to install, and you can securely attach it to your roof. The strap tightening system is less intuitive than the Fifclums and the Roofmaster, but we eventually managed to figure it out. Number 3. Roofmaster Rooftop Cargo Carrier. The Roofmaster is a nylon cargo carrier with a high storage capacity. The zippers form a waterproof seam, and long flaps provide additional protection. This bag is a nice option if you're expecting to encounter rainy weather and want to ensure your cargo stays dry. We like the Roofmaster as a low-cost option for a rooftop carrier. The bag is extremely lightweight and attaches securely to the roof rack. The zippers are well waterproofed, making the bag ideal if you expect to encounter rain or snow. We found this bag more challenging to load than some of our other recommendations, at least after we attached it to the roof. The straps are also more difficult to tighten than the Fifclums. When we took the Roofmaster on a test drive, it was slightly louder than our other recommendations, but still relatively aerodynamic with low wind noise. Number 4. Thill Pulse Rooftop Cargo Box. The Thill Pulse is the best of the best rooftop cargo carriers. It features a heavy-duty aerodynamic design and lockable storage, and is easy to install. The Pulse comes in 3 sizes ranging from 11.0 to 16.0 cubic feet. We tested the medium-size Thill, 14.0 cubic feet. Despite the Thill's intimidating size, we found it to be one of the easiest cargo carriers to install. It does require a roof rack, and you may need to adjust the distance of your crossbars before fitting the Thill Pulse. Once you've adjusted your crossbars, however, attaching the Pulse couldn't be simpler. Installation with the quick mount system doesn't even require tools. The lid opens from the side using a key and fits snugly when closed. Number 5. Arxon Universal Roof Rack. The Arxon cargo basket features an open design, so bags must be secured with additional straps or netting. The rack comes in various sizes and can accommodate a weatherproof Arxon rooftop cargo bag, sold separately. We tested the 43.0-inch model, which is the smallest size offered. We found the Arxon simple to install. Once it's attached, you can leave it on your vehicle and it won't hinder your driving. When empty, it adds little drag to your vehicle, even at high speeds. Without being waterproof, this is a good option for short-term use only. You can purchase the Arxon storage box, sold separately, if you need weatherproof storage for longer trips. In our driving test, without cargo, the Arxon was completely silent and added little to no drag. Drag can vary depending on how you arrange your rooftop cargo. Because it's an open-top carrier, there's more leeway in how high you stack your cargo. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easy.